Hope so you guys are fine and your week is going very well. Actually, from last 2 and 3 weeks, I was unable to make a video. Actually, we have started a class session and we were busy in that thing. So it was we are very sorry to you guys that we were unable to make a video. But today I am wanna try my best to give you guys some things about the trades and about the market. Today market falls, we will also check it out how market falls and why market falls. Firstly, I will just make this analysis on the basis of technicals. So if you look at on the basis of technical, you will see that market has created uh, I'm trying to make it more convenient for you guys. Yeah, here you guys would see that market has created the here from M pattern. Here you would see, yeah, and market has created this M pattern, and this was the base of that pattern 1845 area. So at that time we were in the trade, but we were just thinking that market would go a little bit towards upside, then after that falls, but eventually I was still thinking that market would move till 1855 till that area, then after that market would fall, but market falls absolutely very aggressively. So right now, what are the possible moves? We will also see. And one more thing I will tell you about this pattern, one more thing. So right now we have opened a H4 time frame. Now we have to look for the trades, possible trades, now where we should have to look for a buy trade and where we should have to look for a sell trade. So these are the trades. So from if you look at if you zoom out your chart, you would see on H4 time frame chart. So if you look at from here, yeah, this is the area right now. I am thinking that we should have to look for a buy trade and for a long term. And why I'm saying this thing to you, I will also tell you guys. So firstly, on my in my previously I've told you guys that market starts from here, then after the market retest that area, then after the market falls. Now what are the our we have a conditions, we have one more conditions. I will figure out some areas for you guys, and those areas are, if you draw some horizontal lines, this is the area. Yeah, approximately this is the area. So this is our first area where we should have to look for a buy trade, but market also break that area also. Now what are the possible areas, best possible areas? I think so that approximately this is the area most probably market would show some respect to this area, that is approximately 1785 till 90 area. So this is, we can also make it a zone area. So we can also see it's a demand zone. That demand zone starts from approximately 1792 and approximately it falls till 1780 or 1784. So brother, this is the area. I think so that from where market, maybe if market doesn't give respect to this area, if an H4 candle closes below this area, then we can see that market, there's a possibility that market would test this trend line, and this is the best possibly buying area 1785. From here we would can go for a buy trade. On the other side, if you look at on the M pattern, you would see that market still now doesn't give us a retest. Now whenever market creates such M patterns, market gives us the proper retest. So I will also again make the M pattern for you guys. Yeah, and market falls straightly. So I think so that market has to make approximately little bit a retest properly. I will also make that from how much market will make a retest. So that would be we would check it out on a Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, from here to this area and to this area right now. So if you look at that side right now, you would see that we have the 50% retracement level is approximately around 61% level is at approximately 1848. So still we can see gold in 1848 area in this week. It's a possibility, it's not 100% surety. So it's up to you guys if you will follow this or not follow this, but most probably I will tell you guys that if you want to look for a buy trade, the best buying areas would be that this area 1780 till 1790. This would be the best buying zone for you guys. So if you want to open a buy trade, so that would be the best buy zone. And if market shows some respect to this area, then we can again think of that 1840 area approximately. Then 1840 area we can see a proper retest of that area, then after that we can see a falls. But it's all depends upon today. Today there's a PMI data, and tomorrow on Wednesday there's a huge data, so it would be dependent on that. Hope so you guys have understood the concept. I will also repeat it. Why market falls? Just because of this M pattern technically. And what are the best buying areas? We have this buying area, best buying areas. And what are the areas from where we can we can see a rejection towards upside? That's 18010 level, or and the next level is 1785 till 1790, this demand zone area. From here we can see that market will move till 1840. That would be our first target. Then after that, if again market shows some respect to the buyers, then again we can see the upward movement. Hope so you guys would like this video. Kindly share it, subscribe it, and if you have any question you guys can ask from me personally. My name is Sulaiman Khan Niazi. You have seen me in the public groups, so if you have any question you guys can ask from me personally. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.